हेलो। 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 हाँ जोया। हेलो। 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 हेलो।
हाँ यस सर।
हाँ आवाज़ आ रही है जोया?
हाँ सर, अब आ रही है आवाज।
अच्छा, ये स्क्रीन भी दिख रहा? स्क्रीन?
हाँ दिखाई दे रहा है सर।
हाँ अच्छा ठीक। So today we will study the structure of DNA molecule. DNA is a shortly abbreviation of deoxyribonucleic acid. It is one of the nucleic acid and which is present in the nucleus. There are two types of a nucleic acid. One is this DNA and another is the RNA. RNA is called as a ribose nucleic acid. These two nucleic acids are present in there is a nucleus and they are bounded by nuclear envelope, and so that this is called as a nucleic acid because of they are present in the nucleus. Friedrich Miescher in 1869 for the first time isolated nucleon from the nuclei of pus cell. Nucleon was shown to have acidic properties, hence it become called nucleic acid. So this is having a acidic properties, so that this is called as a nucleic acid. इसके बाद से इसको nucleic acid बोला जाता है. Then as we have told that there is a two types of a nucleic acids are there. One is DNA, another is RNA. Deoxyribonucleic acid, ribose nucleic acid. Shortly abbreviated DNA, RNAs are there. So this DNA structure and function that we are going to study now is first of all discovered by two scientists, Watson and Crick, 1953. As these are the double helical structure, this is shown in this picture. These are the one type of a ladder. Ladder means there is a one type of a सीढ़ी जिसको बोलते हैं. Then the distribution of nucleic acid in the eukaryotic cell. DNA is found in the nucleus with small amounts in mitochondria and chloroplast. ये न्यूक्लियस के अलावा साइटोप्लाज्म में भी रहता है, पर्टिकुलरली इन माइटोकॉन्ड्रिया एंड क्लोरोप्लास्ट. माइटोकॉन्ड्रिया एंड क्लोरोप्लास्ट आर द साइटोप्लाज्मिक बॉडीज है ये. तो इसमें भी थोड़ा उनका सेपरेट डीएनए मॉलिक्यूल रहता है, विथ ओन डीएनए मॉलिक्यूल रहता है. देयर इज अ माइटोकॉन्ड्रियल डीएनए बोलते हैं उसको, और क्लोरोप्लास्ट डीएनए, बिकॉज ऑफ they have their own genetic machinery, and these are the two exception where there is a DNA molecule is present. Then RNA is found throughout the cell. RNA is present in throughout the cell, particularly in the cytoplasm. Also RNA is present. Then RNA is also present in the nucleus. But the DNA is restricted to the nucleus only, except from there is a mitochondria and chloroplast. तो ये दो चीजों में भी इधर डीएनए मॉलिक्यूल रहता है और आरएनए सब जगह रहता है. देन दिस डीएनए एज a genetic material, the circumstantial evidence. ये देर इज अ जेनेटिक मटेरियल है, उसका बहुत सारे एविडेंसेस है. फर्स्ट देर इज प्रेजेंट इन ऑल सेल्स, virtually restricted to the nucleus. All living cells are having there is a genetic material, and genetic material is a DNA molecule. The amount of DNA in somatic cell or there is a vegetative cell or body cell of a any given species is a constant, like the number of chromosomes. ये DNA molecule भी there is a her there is a individual to each other, there is a different type. So this is a having a specific number of there is a DNA molecule in the somatic cell, like there is a chromosome. So there is a in human beings 46 chromosomes are there, and like that manner amount of DNA molecule is again there is a in that manner present. So this is again changes with the changing the species. Then DNA content of gametes is half that of the somatic cell. So there is a in the gametes, male gamete or in the female gamete, the DNA content is there is a half number. In case of polyploid, multiple sets of the chromosome, the DNA content increases by a proportional factor. अगर वो there is a polyploid है तो उसमें there is a double number आता है. The mutagenic effect of UV light peaks at 253.7 nanometer. The peaks for the absorption of UV light by DNA. So this is there is a takes place in the DNA. Nucleic acid structure. The polynucleic acid are polynucleotide chains. ये दो polynucleotide chains रहते which are twisted each other, and one is anti clockwise and another is a clockwise. Means there is a they are twisted with each other. The building blocks of nucleotides. One is going to ascending manner, another is a descending. So such type of a they are twisted to each other. DNA consists of two molecules that are arranged into a ladder-like structure called double helix. अपन जो अभी देखे, there is a scientist Watson and Crick के बाद there is a ladder CD के वैसा double helical structure रहता है. Means there is a round CD जो रहती है वैसे टाइप में रहता है. कहाँ पे कम जगह है जहाँ पे वहाँ पे ऐसी राउंड सीढ़ी लगा दी ऊपर जाने का. So this is a structure of a DNA molecule ladder like. And a molecule of DNA is made up of millions of tiny subunits called nucleotides. So these DNA molecules are made up of millions of tiny, बहुत small, बारीक, tiny बोलते बारीक, सबयूनिट्स का न्यूक्लियोटाइड्स बोलते हैं इसको. एक एक जो उसका पार्ट्स बने वाला है, एक एक सीडी का जो एक स्टेप बनी वाली है वो न्यूक्लियोटाइड से बनी वाली. वो न्यूक्लियोटाइड्स पूरे मिलके देयर इज अ एक डीएनए मॉलिक्यूल देयर इज अ फॉर्म होता है. And each nucleotide consists of three parts. One is a phosphate group, another is a pentose sugar, and later on there is a nitrogen bases. So all these three structures convert into a one nucleotide. ये तीनों को मिला के एक न्यूक्लियोटाइड बोलते हैं. तो दिस इज अ न्यूक्लियोटाइड. ये देख रहे हैं आप न्यूक्लियोटाइड. तो ये देर इज अ फॉस्फेट है, न्यूक्लियोटाइड का पोर्शन है, शुगर है, देर इज न्यूक्लियोटाइड का पोर्शन है, एंड दिस इज अ nitrogen bases. These are the again nucleotides. So this is that the sugar is a ribose or deoxyribose. अगर RNA है तो ribose sugar, and if DNA is there is a deoxyribose sugar is there. And nitrogen bases are of two types. One is called as the purines and another is called as the pyrimidines. Purines are single ring compound and pyrimidines are double ring compound. Adenine pairs with there is a thymine, guanine pairs with the cytosine. Adenine is A, guanine G, cytosine C, thymine T, and uracil U, uracil. Thymine is replaced by uracil in the RNA. So this is there is a portions of nucleotide. न्यूक्लियोसाइड भी रहता है. न्यूक्लियोसाइड में देयर इज फॉस्फेट इज अपसेट. न्यूक्लियोटाइड एंड न्यूक्लियोसाइड, दीज आर द थ्री पोर्शन ऑफ द न्यूक्लियोटाइड. एंड मेनी न्यूक्लियोटाइड्स आर देयर इज अ फॉर्म टू ए पॉलीन्यूक्लियोटाइड. मेनी न्यूक्लियोटाइड्स आर देयर इज अ कन्वर्टेड. दिस उसको बोलते हैं पॉलीन्यूक्लियोटाइड. तो ये पॉलीन्यूक्लियोटाइड. सी दिस इज अ न्यूक्लियोटाइड पोर्शंस ऑफ न्यूक्लियोटाइड. pentose sugar means there is a 5 carbon sugar. Here phosphate is attached toward the another portion, or there is a another there is a portion sequence, and here there is a nitrogen bases are again attached to the another there is a carbon compound. So see here just we have discussed nitrogen bases are purines. Two ring structures are there. Adenine and guanine are purines. and cytosine and thymines are there is a pyrimidine, single ring structure is there, pyrimidine, or uracil is there is in the RNA. RNA में there is a uracil रहता. Nucleotides, the phosphate and sugar form a backbone of the DNA molecule, whereas the bases form the rungs. So see here, this is a ladder. ये है CD. So this is a polynucleotide chain. This is a one. There is nucleotide. This is another nucleotide. This is another, and these are all togetherly called as a polynucleotide. And this is a singly called as only nucleotide. This is a ladder of a DNA molecule. There are four types of nitrogen bases. Just we have discussed. So this is there is a adenine. This is a cytosine. Then adenine pairs with thymine in DNA molecule. They are having a triple bond in it, and cytosine pairs with there is a guanine having double bond. इसमें double bond रहता है. And these are there is a phosphate group in blue color, and this is a green color. Is there is a pentose sugar है, and this is a nitrogen basis adenine. So this is there is a structure, and these are there is a later on joined to form a there is a ladder like structure. ये क्या होता है बाद में दोनों joint हो जाते हैं एक दूसरे से, pairing हो जाती. तो this is there is a and formation of a DNA molecule. इस तरह से DNA molecule रहता है. So nucleotide, each base will only bond with one another specific. There is a basis. Thymine, adenine pairs with thymine, cytosine pairs with there is a guanine. This is again like there is a base pairs. ये दो base pair थे, ये दो base pair है. ये दोनों में pair होती. There is a adenine does not pair with cytokinin. Then thymine does not pair with there is a guanine. Means there is a adenine pair with always with thymine, having there is a double bond. Cytosine pairs with there is a guanine, having triple bond. So these are there is a base pairs. They are having a specific pairing is there. So this is there is a numbering is start from this. There is a 5 pentose sugar is there. Pentose sugar 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is there is a 5. So that's why it is called as a pentose sugar. 5 carbon compounds are there. So this is a ribose sugar. This is RNA. The RNA contains there is ribose sugar, and DNA contains deoxyribose sugar is there. So this is a 5 carbon compound ribose sugar, and this is a deoxyribose. So what is the difference between this? So see here what the difference here. So here towards the this third position, second position, sorry, this is the one. Carbon atom 1, carbon atom 2 is there, and carbon atom 3, carbon atom 4, and this is a 5 carbon atom. So at the carbon atom 2, here there is a 1 OH is here, there is a less. In this there is a deoxyribose. Deoxyribose में एक O कम है यहाँ पे खाली, और rest of this structure is there is a same. पूरा आपको same दिखेगा, और खाली number 2 position पे there is a 1 O is there is extra in the ribose sugar, and H is there is a single H is there is a in the deoxyribose. So this is there is a happening in this particularly the difference between ribose sugar and deoxyribose sugar. So it's a difference there is a. This is the molecular structure of this both ribose sugar and there is a deoxyribose sugar. Then there is a, because of the complementary base pairing, the order of the bases in one strand determines the order of the bases in the other strand. तो ये दोनों नाइट्रोजन बेसेस प्यूराइंस और पैरामिड्स कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री टू ईच अदर है, कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री एक दूसरे से देयर इज ये कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री है. So they are having always pairing with each other. So see here, this is the one ladder, एक ladder है यहाँ पे. There is यहाँ पे क्या बता रहा है, the phosphate, this is blue in color, this green color pentose sugar, and this is a red is a nitrogen bases adenine is there. So this is there is a pairing, this is a single pairing is there. So here this is again cytosine, here this is thymine, then cytosine, this is adenine, this is guanine, this is thymine. So these are ready to pair with its complementary pyrimidines. ये pyrimidines को there is a complementary, there is a pair करने के वास्ते ready है. So whenever they are there is a got, they are attached and pairing is start, and there is a the ladder like structure, helix, double helix structure is there is a form. So see here another is there is a this one. So A in the opposite there is a thymine. Here C opposite there is a guanine. C adenine. Again here there is C, here guanine, adenine, thymine, guanine, cytosine, thymine, adenine, and these are there is a opposite there is a purines are there, and this is a paramines. They join to form again here ladder. So see here this is ladder. They are pairing with each other. So this is become a double helical structure of there is a DNA molecule. इसको बोलेंगे there is a DNA molecule structure. So these are there is a nucleotide chains, and this is becomes a polynucleotide. ये polynucleotide chain बन जाता है. So to crack the genetic code found in DNA, we need to look at the sequence of the bases. The bases are arranged in the triplet called as the codons. So there is a ये three nitrogen bases are togetherly known as a codons. इसको codons बोलते हैं. Triplet nitrogen bases are called as a codons. So there is a found a crack the genetic code. Genetic code crack करने के वास्ते इसके there is a triplet codons को अपने को study करना पड़ेगा. So see here, this is this one is having a triplet codon. A pairs with T, G pairs with C, again G pairs. So this is the initial codon only, and this is last one is a terminal codon, which is at the terminal end of this there is a polynucleotide chain, and such type of there is a arrangement of there is purines and pyrimidines are there is present in this DNA molecule. So see here, DNA is made of two strands of polynucleotide. So this is one strand we have seen, and this is another strand. So these are the two strands are there, and they are joined by hydrogen bonds. So these are there is a G pairs with this C having the three hydrogen bonds, and here this is the A and T pairs with there is a two hydrogen bond. So these are the always having three hydrogen bonds are there, and here there is a two hydrogen bonds are there, and these are there is a pairing is like this. So this becomes a ladder. So this phosphate is attached to there is a this position, and this nitrogen base is attached to the first position. So see here like this one. So this is a one is clockwise, this is anti-clockwise, or there is a there one is ascending manner, another is a descending manner, and becomes a ladder like double helical structure is there is a form. So this is there is a DNA molecule. Then a gene is section of DNA that codes for a protein. So the what is the gene? Gene is a part of DNA which codes a there is a protein. So this is there is a each unique gene has a unique sequence of bases. Then this unique sequence of bases will code for the production of unique protein. तो DNA क्या करता है? There is a protein synthesis करता है, and it is these proteins and combination of proteins that gives us unique phenotype. अलग-अलग phenotypes मिलते हैं. Then the last one is there is a functions of the DNA. So it contains genetic information in coded form. तो हर एक DNA में क्या है? Genetic information coded form में. So there is a हर एक का DNA there is a अलग अलग है. So every there is a organism, living organism have a DNA is there is a different. Then it transfers genetic information from cell to cell by the process of replication. So this genetic information is there is a transferred during the replication. Replication अपने को देखने का है. There is duplication जिसको बोलते हैं. So there is a formation of a two cells, that is a replication, or there is a DNA molecules are becomes double, that is called as a replication or duplication. Then this is a it decides and regulates which type of a proteins and protein enzymes are to be synthesized in the cell. ये डिसाइड करता है सेल में कि कौन सा प्रोटीन तैयार करना और कौन सा प्रोटीन एंजाइम सिंथेसाइज करना, और देर इज उसको रेगुलेट करना. दैट इज अंडर द गाइडेंस ऑफ डीएनए मॉलिक्यूल. ये डीएनए अंडर में रहता It can cause mutation by sudden change in the nucleotide sequence. इसमें mutation भी हो सकता है. There is a mutation means by UV rays, or there is a gamma rays, or X-ray. Means there is a, by this method there is a, we can mutate, there is a DNA molecule. So this is, there is a changes may occur in the DNA molecule by due to the mutation. So see here, this is a somewhat differences are given here in the DNA and RNA molecule. Deoxyribose nucleic acid, then ribose nucleic acid. So DNA is present in the nucleus. It is present in both nucleus and cytoplasm. दोनों में भी रहता है आरएनए. और डीएनए डबल स्टैंडर्ड है, आरएनए सिंगल स्टैंडर्ड है. इसमें पेंटोज शुगर डीऑक्सीराइबोज है, इसमें राइबोज है, और उसके बाद इसमें थायमाइन है, और इसमें यूरासिल है, और इसमें क्या है, डीएनए इज लॉन्गर, थाउजेंड्स ऑफ न्यूक्लियोटाइड्स, और आरएनए क्या है, शॉर्ट है, और इसमें फ्यू हंड्रेड न्यूक्लियोटाइड्स है. So this is, there is a broad difference between this DNA and RNA. And RNA is genetic material of some viruses, or DNA is genetic material of, there is all the living organism. हर एक there is a living organism में DNA क्या है, genetic material. So such type of there is a DNA molecule which is present as a genetic material or genetic machinery of all the living organisms. Okay, so this is, there is a question is asked, what is DNA? Describe the structure of DNA and write functions of the DNA. So at that time you have to prepare like this manner. ये there is a आपको बनाना पड़ेगी. So okay.
सर उसके नोट्स दो ना हमको,
जी जी,
वो PDF बना के सेंड करो.
अच्छी बात, अच्छी बात.
क्लास में जल्दी आना पड़ता.
हाँ, ये भेज देता आपको. ठीक है.
ओके सर.
टुडे स्टॉप है.
थैंक यू.